I'm Josh Ingram, General Manager at Loveland Ford. Over the last 7 years, we appreciate all the customers that have come to us to purchase their vehicle. It also made us realize that we got a lot of customers out there that we need to take care of. So as we transition into our new facility, let me show you some of the folks that we have back in our service department that are going to help you take care of your vehicle.
Hi, my name is Tracy Matthews. I'm the Service Drive Manager here at Loveland Ford. Just wanted to kind of quickly introduce my staff to you. I got the express riders here at the front and my main shop riders down here at the end. If you have any questions or any needs, we will take care of you as soon as possible.
For basic services, please schedule your appointment at loveford.com or through the Ford Pass app. We understand that parking is difficult during peak hours. Ideally, you can park up front in the customer spaces, but if they are unavailable, feel free to park anywhere on the lot and we will go and retrieve your vehicle. We are looking forward to our new 15-acre facility that will be just down the road at Highway 34 and Boyd Lake Avenue. With all the additional space, we'll be able to more than double our service bays and available parking. All in an effort to complete your service sooner and get you back on the road faster. We appreciate all of your patience through this transition. At Loveland Ford Lincoln, we try harder, and we want to prove it.